Hello, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. This is Engineer Brandon Sanlapus. So we have another topic which is part of calculus, and these are the earlier calculus subjects or topics. So without further ado, we can start now performing this problem. So we have a problem here, which is solve the inequalities. We have given 3 plus 2x is less than 7. So you notice this one, it is an inequality, so less than. So before going to the topic, what are the inequalities? Inequalities. So recalling back, we have less than, then less than equal, greater than, equal, and then greater than, and the last one is not equal. So these are the signs for inequalities. So to solve this problem, right, I'll just move it a little bit. Okay, now I will rewrite this problem. All right, that's 3 plus 2x equal to less than or less than 7. So for us to solve this problem, we put this one imaginary as equal sign. All right. Then how you will simplify this problem? So you can transpose this to the other side, or you can minus this one to 3 on both sides. So that would be 3 minus 3 plus 2x, then less than 7 minus 3. So that would be, this one will become to 0, and this one will become 4, because 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So we will have an expression that is 2x less than 4, right? So simplifying more further, that would be 2x all over 2 less than 4 over 2. So ito magiging greater than 2. So that would be x is less than 2. So this is our answer. So in our choices, that's letter B. Okay. So you have any questions here? If not, I will show you how to calculate it using the calculator. All right. So we have here a calculator. Let's make sure that this one is in degree mode. And then if you were given a problem like this, just because in our calculator we don't have greater than or not equal or less than equal or less than signs. So what we gonna do is we use the imaginary as equal sign. All right. So we have 3 plus 2 alpha x, then equal sa 7, and then you can calculate it with a shift solve button. So this will give us a value of 2. So x, don't equate it to 2, instead write the original sign or inequality, which is less than 2. All right. Now going to the next problem. I have here the solve the absolute value of 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. So I have here a formula where x absolute value, this is an absolute value, is equal to x if x is greater than equal to 0. So kung ang x mo daw ay greater than or equal to 0. So pwede kang maging ang ang boundary niyan would be 0, then 0.1, then 0.2, and so forth. So because this one is greater than 0, then we have here negative x if x is less than 0. So paano ba magiging less than 0 yan? If x would be equal to negative 1, negative 2, and so forth, or until infinity, negative. All right, now we can now solve this problem. Or before going to this problem, what is the absolute value of 3, by the way? So the absolute value of 3 is equal to 3, right? The absolute value of negative 3 is equal to 3. Then check it with the calculator if you want. Then shift absolute value of negative 3 is equal to 3. Or remove the negative sign, absolute value of 3 is 3. All right. Now, going back. So solve the absolute value of 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. So on this case, we have two cases. All right. On these two expressions, we have two cases. So rewriting the problem, that is 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. So I have removed the absolute sign value in order for me to calculate this. So case 1, 2x minus 3. Ay, sorry naman dito sa pen ko. So 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. Now, simplify. So that would be 2x minus x. Ito ilipat mo doon. Then mamaya mo na i-perform to. Minus 3 is equal to 3. 2. So nawala na yung x doon. So 2x minus x is equal to x equal to, lipat mo to doon. So that would be 2 plus 3. X therefore is equal to 5. For case number 2, case number 2. So 2x minus 3 is equal to negative x. Lagay natin sa labas plus 2. So yung first case natin is positive and our second case is negative. So we put negative outside the parenthesis of the expression. Now 2x, simplifying, 2x. So minus 3, para mas maintindihan, negative x, and then minus 2. Kasi negative times x is negative x, negative times positive 2, that would be negative 2, right? Then 2x. Ito, ilipat mo doon, plus 3. Ito, ilipat mo doon, equal to negative 2 plus 3. That would be equal to, ay, ito, alisin na natin to. Remove this one. Kasi, okay, ulitin. 2x plus x is equal to negative 2 plus 3. So, that would be 3x plus x is equal to 3x. And then negative 2 plus 3, that is 1. So, combining 3x is equal to 1 divided by 3 kasi gusto mong alisin yung 3 para maging x, then 1 over 3. So this is our case number 2. So in our choices, we have two answers. So that would be x is equal to 5, and then the other one is x is equal to 1/3. Then for you to solve easier, we can use this calculator actually. I'll show you how. Okay. To minimize the problem, you can use this one. 2 alpha x minus 3, just remove the absolute value, is equal to, ay, 2 alpha x, wait, alpha x, then alpha equal, ay, 2x minus 3, alpha equal, then alpha x plus 2. So shift solve for x, that would be equal to 5. So this is it, right? And the other one, lagyan mo ng negative and parenthesis. So gayahin lang natin yung sinulat natin dito. So that would be shift solve will give us a value of 0.33. So to get the fraction of that value, just put this 1/3. Just press this SD and it will equal to 1 over 3. Okay, so do you have any questions? So if you don't have any questions, we can now proceed to the other topic. All right.